All right, everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this GoKWH battery, or GoKWH, however they want to pronounce it. It's a 12 volt, 100 amp hour LiFePO4 battery. This one is a new battery on the market, but as we all know, most of these batteries coming out of China are usually produced in the same factories. This one has a BMS, but what's different about this one is it's pouch cells. So it's not 18650s or anything like that in there, but these are pouch cells. Comes with your standard M8 terminals on the top. You don't get nothing really with it. There's a lot of QR codes to scan and download, I guess an app or whatnot. It says reliable BMS. You can parallel up to 4P or series up to 4S. It says you can add it to a generator to charge it. You can charge it through the wall charger or through solar. So it came to us charged at about 13.2 volt, which is about right for shipping this. We're going to get it on the 30 amp charger and charge it up. Alright, as you can see there, we're charging at 29 amps right now. So we're just going to let it charge up. Alright, we topped the battery off. The BMS clicked off at 14.5 volts DC. We're going to go ahead and flip this inverter on. When we flip that inverter on, it's going to power up a 500 watt halogen light, and that's going to be our load to see if we can get this 1280 watt hours out of this battery. Alright, we're going to flip it on. The light has come on, and we're drawing down 460 watts or so at 3.97 amps. This will give us our reading, and the number we're looking for is 1.28. We're drawing down 39.4 amps out of the battery into the inverter. Alright, this thing's been running quite a while now. 850 watt hours so far, 860. And hour and 52 minutes it's been running. Still drawing down 460 watts, almost 4 amps, and 118 volts at 61 hertz. Still going strong. Alright, we're several hours in. Exactly 2 hours and 26 minutes in. 1.18 kilowatt hours. Alright guys, we've been going quite a while now. We got the app up. It was a little bit tricky, but we finally got it. 1.12 kilowatt hours. 2 hours, 27 minutes. We're still pulling down good here. Here's the battery state of charge. We're drawing down 42 amps at 517 watts. It's showing all the voltages and everything. I mean, it's a pretty cool app. It's showing a lot of stuff. Let's see what everything else is. It's not showing anything here. Let's see basic information. Oh, that's just the, I guess that's just the version number and stuff. This is real time for RT. Control. So we can do a whole bunch of stuff here, I guess. There's a whole bunch of stuff. It's got a graph. What's auto balance do? Set successfully. I have no idea what that is. Alright, we're going to let it keep running and see what happens. Alright, we got about an amp hour left. Let's see what happens. Alright, this is not bad. It's showing the individual cells, the temperatures and everything. That's pretty good app. Pretty decent. So let's see what happens. It says we're about to shut off. I think the BMS is gonna kick this thing off because of this middle battery here. Alright, we hit 0. But we still got a little bit of amp hours in there, it seems, but the batteries are starting to take a hit. They're all dropping down, but they're pretty balanced. For the first run out, it's pretty balanced. We'll see if this BMS kicks off. Right there is the voltage total there. And we're at 1.15, it looks like. Yeah, 1.15 kilowatts. Alright, we're still going. So that's good. So this is a little off then. This data's a little off. We'll just let it keep going and see what happens. Alright everyone, this battery is doing absolutely phenomenal. If you see there, 1.17. So that's 1,180 watt hours out of 1,280. So it's 100 watt hours off, and we're going through a modified sine wave inverter. There's the low voltage alarm. Batteries are doing good there. Temps are good. And guys, this thing is just doing amazing. We're gonna run it till the inverter kicks off. And there it goes. Well, alright. You've seen it there. Absolutely amazing battery. You know, for running a modified sine wave inverter from Harbor Freight and only coming 100 watt hours shy with this app, you can't beat it. So we're gonna get it on the charger and see how this app looks while it's charging. Alright, we're just going to let the battery sit and see where it recovers at. Top left corner there is 10.95 volts. And as you see, the batteries are all coming back up to around the same voltage. It should level off at around 11.2 maybe. So we'll come back once everything's settled and then start the charge cycle. Alright, the battery recovered pretty nice, 11.28. The highest cell is 2.871 volts, and the lowest one is 2.726 with a voltage difference of 0.146 volts, which is very good. They're all balanced pretty evenly. We're gonna get the charger on this thing and see what happens. We got the charger plugged in now, and we're gonna see what voltage we're getting in. We're getting 30 amps in to charge, and as you can see, the voltage is coming up, and we'll see if the amp hours, yep. So we get an estimated charge time of about 3 hours, and we're drawing back in amp hours. So yeah, we'll see if this thing balances out after it's charged. Alright, we wanted to show you that it's within 0.005 volts of each other in the cells, so it's doing very well. I actually went down to 0.04, but we're doing well. Still charging. Yeah, excellent battery so far. Alright guys, the battery is doing great. Recharging, we got a voltage difference of 0.005 volts. So as you see, they are very close to each other and charging good. So this battery is doing great.